This is the same project like yesterday we have did, but it was fully completed model. But we need to start from where we left. So for that, let me try linking this file to a new file. For that, I'm going to File, New. Here there is list of ready-made templates are there. So here we are going to create a project or a family or a conceptual notes or a title block or an annotation symbol. A project is well defined as um, where we are getting a new project from here, like to create a new project. This will be a new project. So this project where you are opening a new project, means it will be considering as a new project. But if you are coming with families and if you are creating a new, it will be considering as a new family. So for the same file, new, it will be a project or family. Definitely it will be a project. It will be a conceptual mouse. Conceptual mouse is nothing but you can create one 3D mesh kind of irregular shapes, whether we can't able to parametric family means we can't able to do any parametric thing. You can go with conceptual mouse, fine. Like an sloped roof or inclined roof. Let me showcase one of my project. I'm just trying to open one project. Kindly wait to showcase you. It is an ongoing project just for reference purpose. And for the shaded view, it will show the minimalistic colors. For the consistent, it will show the index fully colors and very basic render views. In realistic and different textures, you can able to see the applied textures. In realistic mode, you can able to see the applied materials in realistic view without rendering itself. Without rendering, you can able to create a realistic view of the model. These are all the Views we can able to just go through. And this one here is the level of detail. Like of course means very less amount of detail will be there. Median means having some minor details will be included. Fine means all the included details will be visible. We'll see in depth about that course, fine, median, and future classes while creating the families. So no worries. Yeah. So why we are here to see how we can able to create a conceptual master kind of thing. So we'll read where it is. Now let me create one new project, same template. It's architectural, it's a project and a workflow. Now it got opened. Of course, you can apply the 3D view in view templates. I'll let you know. We'll see in depth about this properties tab today. I'll let you know what are all the things here and how we can use those things. Already we started seeing the section box. Now we can see the view template and other things involved in the properties tab in 3D. Okay, I'll let you know now. Now we can go to insert. I want to link this project to that project. For that, you have to close this project. Within a same Revit file, Revit open, you can't able to link a file to another project. For that, you have to close that project and changes. No, I am not going to say it. Close it. Now I have to link that project here. Link it. Now I have to merge it to the project. Always try to do the shared coordinates. It will be the actual one. If the project has the survey point and the other thing. Now our file has been linked. Let's see in 3D. So the file is linked, but it is totally opposite. Like it was showing only gray, dark gray color, but instead there they're showing lots of things more clearly. But here it is not visible. Like another lines and all is here. Please, I don't want anything. So to change all these settings in 3D, you need to check the view template. It's the view template under the identity data. You can check here, click here, and you can see lots of view templates which are already available in the product. You can use any of the view template for that. Or now I need to create one new template like the same kind of view template. Let us create. First, I don't want to see any levels and these lines and the furnitures. So I need to go to the view template. Here I have to create one new view template. For that, I can simply click any of the view template which was already created and trying to check for any 3D template is already available. And it's available. and I'm duplicating it, and let's putting as some 3D view template here. We have created one 3D view template. This template, how we are going to adjust the settings over here. These are all the settings we can able to adjust. Let's just see one by one. View scale. What is a view scale? View scale is nothing but what is the scale ratio of this view. Let us leave it as it is as 1 is to 100. You want to reduce it, the scale will get bigger. Means the building will look bigger in your streets or whatever you are placing. Most probably it will be around 100 or 200. If you are going down, like 1 is to 1 means here we are seeing 1 is to 100. What is the view scale means? Like 100% will be considered as the 1% visible. Like if you consider this as an 100, this as an 100 feet, this in Revit in this model, it will consider the 100th will be in 1. So this total area will be considered in here itself, and it will be multiplying until the 100, and it will reduce all the building elements into the scale of under 1. So we can use the scale purpose only on sheets while creating a sheet new sheets here. Here it may ask what is the sheet size. It may be A2 size or A0, A3. They, depending upon your sheet size, you can adjust your view scale. If you want the 3D view should be smaller, you can adjust the view scale into higher value around 200, 300. You want the view scale to be less, it will be showcasing should be in the minimal, very small area means you can reduce it into the higher value. Detail out. This is where we have seen here. Here we have seen coarse, medium, and fine. The same will be visible here also. Coarse, medium, and fine. This is the detail level. The same setting came here in the view template. We want fine. Every detail should be there. So currently we want fine. Parts visibility. So original. We are leaving as it is. Parts visibility, we are going to show everything as it is. No need to change any of the parts of the elements. And we can go to the model overrides. It's visibility graphics of model overrides. Model elements. What are all the model elements? If you click here and the models, it will create open another tab showcasing as visibility graphics override for the 3D view template. So here it may have lots of boxes and lots of names. You may no need to worry about it. In model category, it will showcase only what are all the elements you have modeled. Like you may model the column, you may model the doors, you may model the walls. Only those will be here. All other things also will be here, but those were not modeled here. These are all the default elements which will be linked in the Revit product. So we have to search for what we are searching. Like I want to search for walls, all walls, and press W and it first going to the wall. So here, inside a wall, it may having lots of columns showing different values. I need to know what are all these things. Let me understand this one. Projection and the surface. Projection means let us consider this block building. Whatever visible outside, it is a projection. If we cut this building in a section view, then it is a cut. Okay, like let me create on another project. We come back here soon. I'm drawing a wall simply here. So this wall has faces, like here one face and here one face, right? So whatever visible outside, like this one, this one, this one, these are all the faces of the wall. So this will be considered as the projections. Okay, now I'm going to the plan view again. This is the wall we have drawn, and I am putting a section cross over the wall, and I am right click, go to view, and we can't able to rotate in the section. It will be fixed and it won't be rotatable. It will be rotatable like this only in 3D view, but in section we can't able to rotate. It will be fixed. How to rotate the 3D view? If you guys have any doubt, press the shift button and press the mouse center wheel. You can able to rotate the 3D box like here. If you using this block, it was you can't able to rotate clearly like this. So guys, just join this meeting link in after 10 minutes. Meeting will get disconnected. So shift mouse wheel. You can able to rotate, but you can't able to rotate clearly like it was going here and there. I want to rotate clearly and just I have to click this object, shift mouse now it will be rotating with the axis. See, like you may have lots of elements here and there, here, here. But if you rotate using this element, it was showing some period, right? It is the center of the orbit. With respect to that center orbit, it will be rotated. But I want to rotate with this one element. Means I have to click that object, shift, it will rotate with that same element. Fine. Let's come back here. I'm going to section. Nothing is there. Maybe I accidentally deleted it. I'm pressing Control Z. I'm going to plan view again. So I'm deleting all unnecessary walls I drawn. I'm going to view section view. I'm just clicking this section box, right click, go to view. It will open that section view. This face will be considered as the cut. And in 3D, this face will be considered as the projections. Okay. Now let us come back to the view template usability here. And I'm going to let me put view 3D view template. I created one new template and then setting this as fine and part show original and model. Going model categories and pressing W. It was coming here. As we said, projection and the surface. So these will be considered for the projection and these will be considered for the cut pattern tips. Okay, so let me do three things. I am going to pattern it here and I am using this diamond shape pattern in the foreground and the diamond shape pattern's color will be black and I am pressing OK. And for the background, behind this diamond shape, there is white color, right? I want some other color means I'm going to here solid fill and I'm changing the background color to green maybe and I press OK. So pattern has been fixed and let me apply it. OK and then pressing OK. Now you can able to see our wall with some green background with the black diamond shape. Okay, but in section it will be remained as the same color. Why? Because we haven't provided any cut value. So I am opening the view template again, going to what we have created 3D view template, going to the override models. In here, I am going to wall again, and here I am going to view the cut and patterns here. Keep the pattern here, and I am giving the same kind of dimension with the black color and the background, the solid fill with the green color. Okay, and okay, and okay, and press OK again. And I'm going to see the section. It will be not visible. Why? Because in section, you may see the view template is fixed to the none. Now you have to click that none, click here and all. This is what we have created 3D view template and press OK. Now you can see the wall is getting cut with our custom made view template. So this is a short intro. You can use the same thing for all the other elements also. Now we can get an overall idea about the projection cut and this half tone will make the element look lighter color, not this much bright. You can click like this much lighter color. So again, I'm going to wall detail by view. This is we can make the fine. No issues or else by view is fine itself. You can leave it as it is. Annotations, we'll come back to the annotation. Okay. Now annotations means whatever the elements which were coming in a 3D view, which were not relevant to the 3D model, like this levels, project base points, and this annotation. These will be considered as an annotation. I am going to view template and I am hiding the annotations. Press OK, but it was not going. Since I have to go to view template again, go to the annotations here. This is the model element and this is the annotation. The same kind of visibility graphics came up and I'm turning off the annotation here and I press OK and OK Still it's there. Why? Because these annotations were came from the linked Revit file. I have to turn off in linked Revit file. So I'm going to view template again and checking the Revit links here. I've opened the Revit links. Here annotations is also there, but it was turned off. But let me see again Revit links. This is the link to Revit by horse. I'm clicking this, make it as custom, model elements and notation, custom. I'm turning off everything. Press OK. Now all our annotations has been turned off. Only the model elements is here. Also, I don't want this tree to be visible. I'm going to the 3D view. I am going to models and I am going to plants or trees, plantings. I'm turning off the planting here and I am pressing OK. OK. Trees have been gone off and I want to hide all these things. I'm pressing tab to select it. E heads to permanently hide. Tab it. E heads. Tab it. E heads. I'm hiding it permanently. Those were hidden. Now I have to change the wall color. It was looking